Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are discussing about how we can send bulk emails with the help of SendGrid in Spring Boot. We have learned what is SendGrid and how we can create a project in SendGrid application in order to generate a key that we can use it as part of a Spring Boot application to send a single email. Then we learned about sending the bulk email. Okay, then in this video we are going to learn about how we can add CC and BCC members in order to well, I am sending that email. Okay, so let's get started directly. So I am here with one method I have created in the service layer. You don't need to worry about the source code, guys. I am going to send each and everything. Okay, I'll upload this in Git so that you will get it. Okay, so I have created a method with name, email with CC and BCC. Okay, let's get started. So in our previous video we have dependent on the postman with the pojo like this is a bigger pojo. Okay, and I don't want to make the things complicated. At the same time I want to implement end to end. Okay, so for that purpose let me try to do it everything from the code in not to send from the pojo this time. Okay, so here what are the steps we needed to add in order to create, in order to send the email. What we need a from address, we need a to address. Now we need CC and BCC as well, right? So let's start that way. From email is equal to new email of this. Then from email, if you see here, you have set name and set email, and we have four emails for CC, BCC, and two, right? So this become more duplicated code. So I will try to use a reusable method which I have already defined here. Okay, I suggest you guys to use this sort of reusable methods, guys. This is more good efficient way. Okay, so set email, let me keep as kbtutorials. This is my from address, guys. Similarly we need to address CC, right? So let me copy paste this guy three times. Okay, to email, then CC email, then BCC email. Okay, then here let's say like BCC na, let's say like make sure you are using the valid email IDs, guys. Name can be anything that you are defining, not a big deal. Okay, this part is done. Then we need an email object, and in the email object as well we need to personalize the details, right? So for that purpose let me create a reusable method here so that I'll try to move these details there. So for that, mail is equal to get mail like this. Okay, mail m is equal to new mail, then m dot, here you can add you can set from address, m dot set subject you can do, then m dot set you have anything else, set something like content. No, you have m dot add content. Okay, and there is one more called personalization, guys. So for that purpose, let me take personalization is equal to new personalization. Here you can add reply to, then p dot add cc, then p dot add bcc. Okay, then this will be added back to the email, which is m, this is p. Okay, cool. Now let me I will have more variables if I call it here. Yeah, no issue. Something like email, from email, which is nothing but from email. Then here let me copy paste the same thing to email and cc email and bcc email. Okay, so this will be like to email and this will be like cc email, this will be like bcc email. Okay, so this will be to email, cc is nothing but cc email, and bcc is nothing but bcc email. Okay, then we have content and the subject. Okay, let me define here itself string subject. Subject is nothing but it's going to be a string object. So testing cc and bcc demo, like this I can define. Okay, and content is equal to, this is nothing but our email body, right? So new content of, how's the format, is a text format, plain. Okay, and this is demo for learning SendGrid using Spring Boot. Okay, now I have the subject object, so I can add it here. Now I have the content object, I can add it here. Now I am returning this email, return m. Okay, this will be added here. Okay, so mail m is equal to get mail, from address is from email, then we have to email, then we have cc email, then we have bcc email. Okay, I hope this is clear as of now. Okay, now what we have this email, right? Now what you need to do, email is done, you need to send the grid, then request and the response object. Okay, so let's initialize send the grid object here. Send the grid is nothing but, let me keep send the grid is equal to new send the grid of, with the help of the key I have already got here, so let me use it here. With the help of a debit value, I have got the key, which I have kept it in application properties. Okay, now I have the key. Now I can use directly here. API is nothing but request. Okay, we'll get the response in order to send this thing. Okay, nothing but response is nothing but response. But how do I form that request object, that also we need to see. Okay, let me keep another usable method, maybe request is equal to form request. Let me take request rgq is equal to new request object, then request dot something like set method is nothing but method dot post then request dot set endpoint will be for emails. What we have I think mail slash send, I believe this is the endpoint for sending email in SendGrid. Okay, then set body will be nothing but, is it set body? Yeah, I think, yeah. So here we have mail, this will go here, mail dot build. Okay, and this will ask for IO exception, I believe. Then let's return this request object and let's use that here. Request is equal to form request of mail is in the above, we have it, right? So we need to add exception here. I want this form request, not for request. So form request. Okay, this request should go here, and we got the response. Let me get that status code directly, something like get status code. This is nothing but my integer I'm returning. Okay, I hope you guys could able to understand here. So first we have added from to cc and bcc. That cc is bcc we have added to the mail object here, and as well as subject and content. Then we form that request response. That's it. Okay, now in order to test this, let's add it into the controller. In order to save time, what I did is I have already added these details to the controller. This is the controller, you can see, right? So this is what it is. I hope we are clear now. Let me try to run this application and see. Okay, this should start running, guys. In the meantime, let me open my postman. This is the postman method. Is it? So it is started the down, then controller. Hopefully it should start now. It is still building. I hope you guys are clear until now. If not, please let me know in a comment section so that I can explain it better way. So this is started here. So if I click on send, it is going. Now you could see we got 2 not 2, right? So you could see first one, this is cricket love. So this is here. Okay, testing with cc and bcc demo. This is nothing but cricket love I have added in a bcc, I believe. Okay, this is a bcc. Okay, now let's see about the cc is where is the cc? You could see this is a cc, right? 2 we can always get. As of now I don't have the credentials, that's why I could not able to show. Yeah, so that's all from this tutorial, guys. I hope it's informative. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik.